is we're gonna sing some songs. We're gonna have a Hanukkah Pila on Saturday, next Saturday.
Next Saturday. A week from today. Was she ill?
Yeah, for a long time.
She never showed it. She never said.
If you knew her, you knew. You know, she canceled the concert last, not the last thing she did, but she kept
I always make sure she gets bananas when I bring them, you know.
Anyways, if you don't get a flyer,
No problem.
check with Lico.
Thank you for telling me.
Yeah, I want you to know. It's important for all of us to be there.
Thank you for telling me. I'm telling you. She's one of them.
Yeah, now she really was a wild. I'm glad I thought. Beautiful.
She's got a good life.
I no longer have anybody to go ask all my questions
I know.
to. So, do you have email?
No, I don't do email, but I get it. But all these good people are leaving.
Well, we're still here.
I know, we're still here.
That's how it goes.
How's her husband? Okay.
I think it's from 9 to 1.